Let's make a ceramic round for my mummy. This is for the best mummy ever.
Hi, I'm Victoria.
Hi, I'm Orla.
So we're going to make a ceramic round with UVDTF. Okay, so we've got our ceramic round, that one. Who we're going to make it for?
My mummy.
Right, do you want to have a look at these designs that we've printed off?
Yeah.
So we've got our UVDTF designs and Orla is going to choose one to go on. So which one?
This one.
That one with the bunny rabbit on?
Yeah.
Shall I cut it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so once you've cut out your UVDTF transfer, okay, so what you need to do is you need to get hold of the plastic from the corner, okay, and we're going to pop it on here, but we need to make sure that we don't go over the little hole. Do you want to have a go?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, so remember, we're going to line it up a little bit more. Oh, oh, it's trying to stick. Oh, perfect. And then you're going to press it down. Then should we use this?
Yeah.
Give it a good rub over. Oh, that's amazing. So we'll just do it a little bit more. See in there, we've got a little bit of air. It makes some funny noises, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There we go. And then all we're going to do is you're going to get hold of a corner and peel it back slowly. Okay? Can you do that?
Yeah.
That's a really good job. Oh, you're making that look very easy. And what does it say on there?
To Mummy love Orla.
That is lovely, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think you'll be able to keep that and you can give that to your mummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll have to get some little string or ribbon, won't we, to put through there, and then she can hang it up.
To Mummy love Orla. I hope you love this present.